which the company could then reinvest into further innovation and growth. And let's not forget the boost in productivity. With AI handling the heavy lifting, the company was able to ramp up production significantly. This led to increased profits and an undeniable edge in a highly competitive market. Impressive, isn't it? But how does this AI-powered process automation work? AI-powered process automation is an advanced technology that leverages machine learning and data analytics. Now let's dive a bit deeper into how this technology actually works. Imagine a diligent student who learns from textbooks and applies that knowledge in exams. In a similar fashion, AI learns from vast amounts of data, which serves as its textbook. It gleans valuable insights, identifies patterns, and uses this knowledge to predict outcomes and make decisions. But here's where AI steps up the game. It can manage complex processes with minimal human intervention. Picture a symphony conductor orchestrating a flawless performance, balancing different instruments and ensuring harmony. AI is that conductor for chemical manufacturing processes. It manages multiple variables, adjusts parameters, and ensures optimum performance, all while minimizing errors and inefficiencies. In essence, AI-powered process automation is transforming chemical manufacturing, making it more efficient, cost-effective, and safer. It's like having a tireless, error-proof worker on your team, one who's always learning and improving. So what does the future hold for chemical manufacturing? Well, with the potential of AI-powered process automation, it's set to revolutionize the industry altogether. Imagine innovative products born from the intelligent analysis and design capabilities of AI. Picture a world where quality control is no longer a time-consuming task, but an automated, precise process. Envision a future where profitability soars thanks to the efficiency and accuracy AI brings to the table. The future of chemical manufacturing is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence.